Good morning, guys. I am Nikita Khamkar. Here today, I will explore agglomerative clustering. It is a type of hierarchical clustering method in machine learning. It is widely used for grouping similar data in applications like customer segmentation, bioinformatics, and some more. Let's see. What is clustering? Clustering is an unsupervised learning technique used to group data points into clusters such that the data points in the same clusters are more similar to each other than to those in other clusters. Why it is important in machine learning? No label data is required. It helps reveal structure or patterns in data. It is useful in many real-world problems like recommendation system, patterns, recognition, research, etc. Flat versus hierarchical clustering. Flat clustering means example k-means. It requires you for define the number of clusters k in advance. Hierarchical clustering. It builds a tree like dendrogram of nested clusters without needing to predefine the number of clusters. What is agglomerative clustering? It is a bottom-up clustering method. Each object begins in its own singleton clusters. The algorithm then merges the closest pair of clusters step by step until one cluster remains or stopping condition is met. Key ideas: it does not divide the dataset like k-means. It builds the hierarchy by combining the clusters gradually. Working principles, step by step process is start. Each data point is its own clusters. Find the two closest clusters and merge them. Update the distance matrix and repeat a single clusters remain or pre-specified number of clusters is reached. Distance matrix. Why it is matters. The choice of distance matrix significantly impact which clusters get merged. There are these three are the type of distance matrix. Last uh, cosine similarity means merge the coin angles between two vectors, and it is useful in text mining. Linkage criteria uh, determine how distance between clusters are calculated. Single linkage distance between the closest pair of data points in the clusters. Complete linkage distance between the further pairs. uh, Average linkage average distance between all the points in both clusters. Ward's method it aims to minimize variance within each clusters. Best for spherical clusters. Dendrogram uh, a dendrogram is a T-diagram used to visualize the merging of clusters. The height of each merge indicates the distance of dissimilarity between clusters. How to use horizontal cut across the dendrogram. Dendrogram gives the desired number of clusters, closes the level with largest vertical distance, and it is known as largest jump. Advantages: no need to pre-specify the number of clusters, flexible in terms of linkage and distance matrix. Dendrogram gives deep insight into the data structure, good for small to medium dataset and for exploring nested clusters, etc. Disadvantage: time and space complexity, not scalable to very large dataset, sensitive to noise and outliers, specifically with complete linkage, greedy algorithm. Once a merge is done, it cannot be undone. Hard to parallelize, unlike k-means, which is easier to scale. Application: bioinformatics, cluster genes with similar expression profiles, market segmentation, group customers based on behavior, social network analysis, cluster user based on interaction, text mining, organize document with similar topics. Conclusion: it is a simple and powerful method. It is most useful for exclamatory data analysis and for understanding the structure of your dataset. The choice of linkage and distance matrix is crucial, best used for small to medium dataset for efficiency. Thank you.